What I want to discuss with you is very, very important to me. I need a favor from you.
Favor?
Yes.
I hope it's something within my capacity to do.
It's something above your capacity, sir. Something close to my heart like this. Something, in fact, it's a lifetime opportunity. Something I cherish so much. Something I wouldn't want it to slip off my hand. Other than one name, Biko, you can do it.
Please, madam, with due respect, you don't address me as Adada anymore. I am a London captain. I have been chosen by Queen Elizabeth herself, so you don't downgrade me. Address me as London captain.
That one won't be a problem now. London captive.
You say what? London what?
Captive.
Will you shut that stupid thing you call your mouth? London captain. Say it. London captain.
London captain. London.
Say your mind and let me live here.
Thank you. Please, it's concerning the list you're compiling.
What about it?
My husband's name. I saw where the number. It's too close.
So?
Put it down or take it out entirely. Delete his name from the list.
Anyway, I am not in your family and I will not be in a better position to decide for you. You are an adult. You know what you want. I'm sure your husband's supposed to be one of the first batch that will travel to London.
That is the problem.
But since you say you don't want him to go first.
No, I don't even want him to go first. I don't want him to go at all. I've changed my mind. Let him not go at all.
It will cost you a lot of things. Yes.
If
you don't want your husband to go to London at all, you have to run an interview.
Captain, you can do this thing now. It's very simple for you.
Hey, don't touch me. Are you alright? So if I allow you, you will touch me. Are you alright? Do you know how much this blazers cost me? This blazers was sent from West Virginia, direct from the Queen. Damn you! Anyway, I forgive you because of your husband. The next time you will try to come close to me, I will devour you. I will throw you to the vultures. Nonsense. I will look into your matter. I will look into it because it's a very difficult one.